So lots of you were there, so thank you very much for joining the live bit. Um, I just want to go over the extension material again because I'm conscious of the fact that the work that I'm setting at the moment doesn't necessarily take that long, and I've slightly changed things from when we spoke last. So um, I'll include the changes as I explain this. So can somebody just confirm you can see that thing saying extension work?
Yep.
Thank you. Okay. So as you know, the school's requirement is that we put on live lessons whenever we can. So I'm making sure that I do that every time, sort of 5 or 10 minutes. And then I'm focusing, as you know, the sort of compulsory bit of work, if you like, being the Hegarty maths, because that just nicely ties in with the work I'm setting, and then it marks automatically, and then you get a good percentage. And it's a bonus for me if you upload your workings. Lots of you are, and it's really nice to see them. And if your workings are there sitting on the assignment when I get there, then obviously I can see your workings. But that's a nicety, really. The key bit is that you get as good a mark as you can in the quiz. Now, if you're looking to do extension work, clearly, as I think I said yesterday, your starting point should be this bit in red. Just go back. If you've got any gaps or if you've got some percentages that aren't as good as you would like them to be, please, that should be your priority number one for extra work, okay? And as you know, we are uploading those assignments that I set you are all waiting for you in homework. So I want us to keep homework exclusively for the compulsory work that I'm setting, okay? Now, after that, obviously, if you want to just brush up on some of your IGCSE skills, I want you to go to Corbett Maths, normal Corbett Maths. I'll show you that in a minute. And I haven't set up assignments for those, but I want those to be uploaded, and you create your own tab for these. This will be the only time you create a new tab. I want those uploaded to class notes. So that's going to be for like extra IGCSE work that you choose to do. You go and just post me and say, look, I've just gone and done this on fractions, then and I've uploaded it, then I can go and have a look, okay? And then finally, if you really want to stretch yourself with something more difficult, I showed you yesterday how to access the Corbett Maths further maths material. That I'm very keen to keep an eye on what you've done and what you haven't done, so it doesn't mess up my teaching of that subject to you lunchtimes next year, okay? So that I want you just to stick to what I've popped in assignments so I can control what you're looking at. If any of you do the work, upload it, having marked it. So you mark it, upload it, and I will go and set more. So I will always keep going at the pace of the person who wants to do most, okay? Now, a slight change from yesterday. I figured out, thanks to Miss Cummins, how to actually add a tab specifically for further maths. So you will now find that whereas I said yesterday, go and look in handouts, or whatever it was called, something like, yeah, handouts, I think it was, I've been able to improve that. So you'll now go and find, when you go and look at your Teams pages, there's now one called FM for further maths, and that's where I've moved across that assignment on functions, if you choose to do it, okay? So, as I said, if you go to Corbett Maths, the first thing you will see automatically are the videos, worksheets, and answers for normal GCSE, IGCSE maths. So if you do any of those, upload to class notes, you having created the tab, and let me know that you've done it so I can take a look. Or if you want to do something harder, as I said, you go over and click on the More tab on Corbett Maths. That will bring up the further maths menu, and then I want you to do these function stuff. So it's topics A1, A2, A3, which are all tied up in the same question booklet, okay? And that I have gone and set up as an assignment, okay? But that is now in a tab called Further Maths. You don't have to go to the handout tab. There's a tab that says FM, and I double-checked that all of you had that nicely there waiting for you this morning. Okay, so the bit I said yesterday about let's keep handouts for further maths, that's not the case anymore. That's gone. Handouts is now blank. You've now got an extra tab here saying FM. So any extension work you want to do, you can do so. Okay, so we are going, so really today's lesson, again, will be quite quick for you. It's still revision, but it was really the second bit of Venn diagrams that I wanted to do. So I think Ollie was saying just before we started, he didn't think an assignment was there yet. It probably isn't. I've probably set it up to open up at 10 o'clock. So, but by the time you get on, or be patient, give it a few minutes, there will be a new assignment page, 36.5 Venn diagrams 2. Okay, so let me just talk you through one of these questions. And we've done these before. You've just got to remember to do it in the right order. So these are the questions where you're given lots and lots of information, and you've got to set up a Venn diagram with 3 overlapping circles. And for this particular one here, we've obviously got it for the gym, for the pool, and for the track. So the key bit is to fill these in from the middle outwards. So go and fill in the middle, very middle bit first, then go and fill in these 3 bits that are just beyond the middle, then go and fill in the outer bits, and then fill in the bits on the outside. So really, the typical way the information is given, you're probably going to have to work bottom to top. So the first thing I've done here, we've got 16 people who used all 3 facilities. They used the gym, they used the pool, and they used the track. So that's obviously the 16 there. Now, we're then told 33 people used the gym and the track. They used the gym and the track. Here's the gym, here's the track. So these 2 boxes here, they are the gym and the track boxes. Now, 16 of them used all 3. So those 16 people are part of the 33. So the people who only used the gym and the track, but not the pool, we're going to have to work that out. So that's the 33 people who used the gym and the track. Take away the 16 people who used all 3 facilities. 33 take away 16 is 17. Okay, so that was the second thing I did. That's using that 33. Now, thirdly, I'm told 31 people used the pool and the track. 31 people used the pool and the track. Here's the overlap of the pool and the track. So 16 I've already accounted for. So how many used the pool and the track only? That's going to be 31 take away 16, which is 15. And then, so I'm working my way out. I've done the yellow, then I've done the orange, then I've done the green. I'm now going to go and do the purple. 38 people used the gym and the pool. So the gym and the pool, these 2 boxes here, not boxes, you know, these 2 areas here are where the gym and the pool overlap. They add up to 38. 16 is common to, is the bit, well, with all 3. So the gym and the pool only are going to be 38 take away 16, which is 22. So I did yellow, then the orange bit, then the green bit, then the purple bit. Now I'm now going to fill in this bit. The 4th bit I'm going to do, 56, which one am I doing now? Yes, the 56 one. 56 people, so the 5th one I did. First, second, yeah, 5th. 56 people used the track, okay? So the whole of the track bit is going to have to add up to 56. The whole of the track rugby ball is 56. 17, 16 and 15 we've already got. So to work out the track only, it's 56 take away 17, 16, 15, which is 8. Then how many people used the, what are we now on to? We're then on to the 62 people used the swimming pool. So we're doing the orange one here. 62 used the pool. So the whole pool rugby ball's got to be 62. So the bit that's pool only is 62, take away 22, take away 16, take away 15, which is 9. And then finally, gym only, 67 used the gym. Okay, 67 used the gym in total. So the whole gym rugby ball is 67. So gym only is 67, take away 17, take away 16, take away 22, which is 12. And then very finally, okay, just for completeness, I need to work out how many people go along to the sports centre and just literally have a coffee. They just don't do any of the activities. That would be me. Okay, so you go and have to do 100, because 100 people use the sports centre, and take away every single number that you've got inside the 3 circles. I've done that down here in red, and that left one person who just goes along to watch. Okay, so now once you've got your Venn diagram complete, you can then answer the question: what is the probability that the person uses exactly one of the facilities? So one facility only. So gym only 12, pool only 9, track only 8. Add those together, I get 29. As you know, if you ask for a probability, the easiest way to do it is to give it as a fraction. So it's 29 people out of a total of 100. All right, so that's it. Okay, I think you'll find that Hegarty 384 has about 5 questions. I think they're very similar to this. This is a difficult type of question to make it progressively harder. So I expect you'll find they're all pretty similar to that, and I expect the only difference is what they're asking for the probability at the end of the day. So that's it, guys. Okay, so if you could rattle through that, that would be great. Do remember that extension work is there. So if you want to, if you're finding this is all just taking you a few minutes and you're just not doing enough maths, the extension work is there. You either go and do Corbett Maths, normal IGCSE stuff, upload that onto your own tab, or if you want to really stretch yourself, go and do that further math functions work. Okay, that now goes filed under the FM tab, and there is an assignment there waiting for you. Okay, guys, that's it for today. So once you've done this and you've got all your lessons out of the way, have a super weekend. Cheers, guys.